the ship because God will really destroy your evacuation center. Sabihin mo lang na it really strong that can withstand the I'll give you the measure of the strength that can withstand the intensity. Place it at the intensity nung ano yung pinaka malakas noon? Marami yung patay.
220 miles.
Yeah. Oh.
Kilometers per hour.
We observed 250 kilometer per hour wind and 7.2 magnitude. Yun sir ang in-observe natin sa Philippines.
So when you build the evacuations, in Mindanao, you have 2 kitchens for that. One for the Moro and one for the